friends, one more touching project here. Before coming here, I just met this gentleman by name Prasanna. He is running a concept called Sankalpa, connecting all government school SSLC students. Normally, I think few of us from rural background, we know where we fail. That mathematics, science, one more?
English.
Are intelligent. Experience maybe. So these three subjects, the gentleman realized where the SLC students are losing, almost getting only 60% result, something like that, 60-70% result. Once somebody fails in SLC, you know that life, I don't know where that life goes. So to prevent that and make the life, put the life in the right track, this gentleman volunteered himself to take a class all the 6 days in a week, Sunday off, 1 hour, one subject, math, science and English, and also giving a small booklet that will going to cost around, for him around 10 to 15 rupees per student. So there are 4 lakh government schools studying SLC students in Karnataka. He want to connect all of them, already met the government officials and everybody. But he need that seed money, around 50 to 60 lakh. I thought of requesting Rotary Indiranagar, already connected with many corporate companies. I think this is the most touching project what I felt. Instantly I got convinced because the way I experienced my journey in rural school. Still the condition is same, but little bit helping like this will definitely encourage. Now what I say, the average result is around 60%. Wherever Sankalpa they touched, I think they touched around 1,60,000 students last year. The result is around 89%. The results already seen. If the same thing continues and go a little aggressive, it may touch 85 to 90% result. It's a good thing. Please add Jaguda, whatever project you are doing, CSR, convince whichever company you want to convince, meet this gentleman and take this Sankalpa as one of the projects.